If your septic tank inspection access is a total pain to get to, installing risers or extending those access points can seriously save you headaches down the line. So, first off, if you're struggling to find or open your septic tank lid, risers are a game changer because they bring the access point right up to ground level. No more digging around in the dirt every time. You can get risers made of plastic or concrete, and they screw on or seal tight, which keeps everything clean and prevents dirt from falling in. When you're thinking about extending the access points, make sure they're big enough so the inspector or service person can easily fit their tools in. At least 18 inches across is usually good. It's super important to secure the risers properly so they don't shift or cause leaks. You definitely don't want water seeping into your tank. If your yard slopes or has weird landscaping, you might need angled extensions that still give straight access without messing up your lawn. Also, marking the riser with a visible cover or stake helps so you don't lose track of it later, especially if grass grows over it. A quick heads up, check with local regulations before adding risers, since some areas have rules about septic system modifications. Lastly, once you've got the risers or extensions installed, it makes regular septic inspections way less of a hassle and can even save you money by spotting problems early. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tank inspection access is ignoring how tough it is to reach the tank, which leads to skipping inspections or delaying pumping. This can cause backups and costly repairs. Fixing this means installing risers that bring the access right up to the surface so it's easy to open. Another common issue is using risers or lids that aren't sealed properly, letting dirt and water get inside the tank and potentially damaging the system. Always make sure the riser fits snug and uses a reliable seal. And third, people often forget to mark where their access points are after installing risers or extensions, so years later they're digging blindly again. A simple fix is putting a bright marker or stake next to the riser so it's super easy to find. BigHomeProjects.com is really helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to septic work and other home projects. For contractors, it's a great way to find clients looking for reliable pros and keep their business growing without all the hassle of searching for jobs themselves.